Welcome. Today, we're exploring how you can easily add your phone number to Discord using your Android device. This updated guide will ensure your account stays secure and helps you recover it if needed. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open Discord on your Android device. Once you're in, you'll want to find your profile picture located at the bottom right of the screen. Just tap on that. Next, look for the gear icon at the top right corner. Tapping this will take you to your settings. Now, scroll down until you find Account. Give that a tap. It's essential to manage your account settings here. Once you're in the account settings, you'll see the option labeled Phone. Go ahead and tap on that. Now it's time to enter your phone number. After you input your number, you'll need to verify it through a code sent to you. Just follow these simple steps, and you'll have your phone number linked to Discord in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips.